Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device OS and making sure the managing account is signed in. That lets you lock settings. Once done, choose what to control: apps, total daily limit, downtime, or content filters, and set a managing passcode you alone know. You should enable any required permissions now so changes persist. Do this before imposing limits. Make sure to update the device if needed, because older versions can silently bypass advanced restrictions. You now pick precise limits. Assign each app or category a daily allowance: social at 1 hour, games at 30 minutes, so usage adds up correctly. Once limits are assigned, schedule downtime with exact start and end times and mark essential apps as exceptions. This prevents lockouts for alarms or work tools. Make sure to enable strict content and privacy filters to block inappropriate sites and purchases. As you configure, test one typical flow. You finish by enforcing and monitoring. Check screen time reports weekly and adjust allowances based on real usage patterns so limits stay realistic. Once done, sync settings across devices and enable any family sharing features to enforce across the ecosystem. If something goes wrong, limits not applying, check account sync, device time zone, and pending OS updates. Those are the usual culprits. Make sure to rotate or revoke the managing passcode if compromised, and keep one trusted contact for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.